So what's up, you lovely bunch? I thought it was about time I showed you around Mr. Red. Apologies, it's been a couple of months since I've done one of these, but the weather's been horrific and I don't like taking him out in the bad weather. So this is Mr. Red. He's a 1997 Mini Cooper that has been fully restored by the very, very best in the business, Altered Images. They are the guys that do all the Swift Tune, etc. cars for the historic racing, and they are literally the best in the world for minis. This thing is by far the best we've offered to date. It's running a 1.3 upgraded MPI injection engine. As you can see, everything is absolutely stunning on it. It has Mark 1 inspired cafe racer vibes. So front bumpers, grille, it's got the upgraded P700 headlights, obviously the Mini Light 10-inch wheel conversion with Cooper S 4-pot alloy calipers. I don't know if it's got, I love the contrasting white roof and spot. This car's also been all over the place, so you'll see the stickers in the window, but it's been recently rebuilt. Just moving around the back. Full stainless steel exhaust, so sounds absolutely wonderful. The paint on this car is unbelievable. Just look at it. It's literally like glass. Inside the boot, it's got a power cut-off switch for security. And obviously, we move, you can see everywhere it's been. Let's move on to the inside. Has the full Cooper, upgraded Cooper black leather interior with DSN door accessories. It has the Cooper vinyl full dash. This is absolutely amazing. USB, Bluetooth, etc. Obviously all your usual clocks. Important Cooper, Mini Cooper, Mini Cooper stamped. Brand new black carpets. Nice alloy gear knob. These are quite cool. Perspex sun visors. Obviously roof lining and everything is in perfect condition. Alloy. And just spin round and show you the back. Again, total and utter perfection. So that means with the Mini Cooper and the cream stitching or piping, tells you this is the upgraded interior, which was obviously a factory option. Everything is chrome on it. And just give it a quick start up. Exhaust sounds amazing, as you would expect. This is the best Mini body-wise that we've offered today. It is total and utter perfection. So head over to www.ukminis.co.uk because there's a guaranteed draw tomorrow live at 8 PM. Will you be lucky with number winner 62? Good luck.